So if you have not created St. Patrick's Day designs, I want to encourage you to definitely jump on this niche. And if you can strategically create high quality products and even merge in some new design styles into this space here, I think you can do extremely well. So in today's video, I'll share with you some top trending designs that are doing well, how you can recreate this yourself and start making sales on Etsy today. I want to share this all with you coming up next. So there's definitely some designs in the St. Patrick's Day niche that is doing extremely well. But one of the things I like to do is to merge two different design styles into one to really create something unique. And so we can see that there are tons of products in here that's representative of St. Patrick's Day. We see designs like this that says nurse, and this design like this that says lucky on it. And most of these are very general in regards to either what they're saying in regards to text or what they're representing in regards to design. However, there is a specific style that I think can do great, and we can merge these two things over together. And it is this type of patchwork design that is definitely becoming a trend on Etsy. Now, this is pretty cool because we can actually tie in this design style over into the St. Patrick's Day niche that can do extremely well if we combine these two products. Now, when we are creating these designs, we definitely want to start selling these on our print-on-demand products. That's why Printify is my #1 place to sell all of my print-on-demand items. They have a ton of things for you to create, just not your t-shirts and sweatshirts, but they have over 1,000 products for you to get started in selling these type of products. And the same strategy I'm teaching in today's video about how to find these top products and merging two design styles over together can be done for any season or any micro niche. Now, Printify does have some unique products to sell. As you can see, they even cover bracelets, phone cases, and even jewelry as well. But for example, today we'll focus on selling the women's t-shirt here, specifically for the Bella Plus Canvas 3001 series. Now you can get started with Printify absolutely for free, but you can also jump on their Printify premium version, which I have a discount in my description box below, where you can actually use this 30 days absolutely for free. And you'll see how much of a difference it is, because on some of these items, you'll be charged $17. But if you use Printify premium, you do get it at a major discount. And anything you can do to keep more profit in your pocket in the long run, to me, it is a no-brainer. So I make sure to leave that special code down below, as well as some next steps to help you get started selling these type of print-on-demand products. All right, so when we are creating these designs here, we're going to jump into my creative prompt tool. This is a custom built tool I built for my Etsy membership community. Specifically, we're going to focus on the Remix Studio. This is going to give us the option to upload a reference image and create some products regarding these type of style trends we see to do well on Etsy. We're going to go ahead and select the t-shirt pre-prompt. This is going to be helpful because we are going to add in a reference image at the bottom so that the AI knows the overall style we're trying to target, which is going to be extremely easy when we are trying to create these type of products. So with that being said, we want the background to be white here. We're going to put in a very basic prompt that says, make this for St. Patrick's Day, keep the word lucky, but use the patch style from image 2. And the reason why we have this prompt is because we're going to use some reference images to really nail down our style. So here are the two reference images that we're going to use. The first one is just to get the overall text that we're trying to target, but reference image 2 is definitely going to bring in that style we're looking for with the overall patchwork, where we could actually create this to be a unique design in regards to this space here. And when I hit generate, this is the results we were able to get with our first run here. And I think that came out extremely well. Definitely brought in, again, that same text that says lucky, but definitely brought in a new character style with that patchwork and design art that I think came out wonderful. Not only do we have it in the text, but we also have it in the elements as well, which again can save us so much time when we're trying to follow top trends and products that are clearly selling well. And I was able to scale this up to 4 variations just to do this again, so you can see the difference in regards to the outputs we were able to get in regards to this design. So again, we kept everything the same here, scaled this to be 4 variations, and you can just see how all of the options we have came out pretty good. This is definitely bringing in new styles, new trends, but still following what works on Etsy. This can change into any word or any type of element we want. Again, I love this patch type of artwork here. And as you can see, this is definitely bringing in that style that we have seen to do extremely well in regards to this patchwork type of design. But we remixed this to fit for the St. Patrick's Day theme, which I think came out extremely well. So this is definitely going to be the one that we are going to use moving forward for our design here. Definitely brought in some difference and brought in some changes, and I think this will be great to sell for our print-on-demand product. Now from here, I can go ahead and save all of my designs. But here's one more trick before we upload this to our Printify product. let's just say if we do like this product here, but we want the text to say something different, we can go ahead and remove all of the reference images here. And now we can use our own image as our digital asset to recreate and remix further into unique things that we can sell on Etsy. So that being said, I want to go ahead and paste in our own digital asset as a reference image here. We can simply go into custom prompt here, remove all of the text that we had. And the only thing we have to say here is replace the word lucky with something else. So we'll go ahead and add in this very simple prompt. And here is the result we were able to get. And as you can see, it definitely changed up the word for us, where it says nurse. Still brought in that same type of patchwork style that we have seen to work well. But this is how easy it is to make edits and to make changes to your AI artwork that can do extremely well for any micro niche you want to target. So we went from it saying lucky over into the text saying nurse. And I think this is perfect for us to create and sell on our print on demand product. So from here, we're going to definitely utilize this. We're going to go ahead and remove the background, upscale our image, and we're going to make sure that we actually set this to be in the proper size for us to sell on our print on demand product with Etsy. So that being said, we'll go ahead and save this to our folder. We head back over into Purify because we want to go ahead and select the Bella Plus Canvas t-shirt, which is exactly what we're going to sell on Etsy. We want to head over to Purify Choice, which give us the best options in regards to our product. And then from here, we definitely want to make sure that we are creating in the proper space here, which for our canvas today, it is going to be 3951 by 4800 pixel. This is going to give us that perfect size and also high quality DPI to make sure that everything will be printed out well once we get an order from our customer. All right, so now that our background is removed and now we have upscaled our image, we want to make sure that we follow the exact print area space that Purify gives us when we are creating our design. So I'll go ahead and download this as the PNG upscale image. And then from here, I want to head over into the design resizer because I want to go ahead and put in this custom size that we grabbed over from Printify. So we added in that custom size here, which is 3951 by 4800 pixel. Now from here, I'm simply going to upload the image that we upscaled and remove the background for. And here it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and position this to fit our overall space here. And as you can see, that is all lined up perfect. Now the only thing we have to do here is download this and upload this to our Printify product. So from here, we're going to go ahead and make this a transparent background. We'll go ahead and download this. And now we're going to head back over into Printify, grab our resize version of our design. And as you can see, this is a perfect upload to our overall product. Again, as you can see, we didn't have to make any adjustments or changes in regards to the overall space of our design here. And we still have that 300 DPI, which is a perfect size quality once things are printed out. Now, everything is done here in regards to us creating this design and uploading it here. We can see what it looks like in the overall preview. And I think that came out extremely well. And this all falls in line with what we see to work well on Etsy in regards to this type of style. And of course, creating this for this specific niche for St. Patrick's Day. Now, if we are in need of finding great keywords to use for overall products, we can actually go back into the Creative Prompt tool, head over to Smart SEO, and this will give us really good titles and tags to use that will get us really about 80 to 90% of the way there in regards to our title. So that being said, I head over to Smart SEO, head over to t-shirt here, and I can plug in a micro niche term I want to target or simply upload my image here of my design. And when I upload this image here, the Smart SEO tool will be able to analyze and identify what the design actually is and give us some really good titles and tags to use when we are trying to list our product. So I'll go ahead and hit generate here. And as you can see, we definitely have some great titles to start with. We have title 1 variation, title 2 variation, Etsy tags, as well as a first line of our description, all following exactly what our product is. As you can see, the description says this nurse shirt is perfect for St. Patrick's Day celebration and makes a great gift for anyone who loves nursing and festivities. We have all of our niche key phrases and words here for our product, like nurse shirt or shamrock tea or lucky nurse. And we have 2 options in regards to our titles. And we can even make some changes here if we really want to have a specific niche phrase we want to add to our overall title. But this gets you about 80 to 90% of the way there, which is perfect when we're trying to get our print on demand product seen on Etsy, which is going to be a game changer in regards to what we created with this design. So as you can see, it's just that easy to find top trends, to merge those over into new design styles, and start selling these products. Now, check out this next video here where I share with you another top trend you should start designing in your shop today. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.